Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is apple jamun. Alright, so to make our apple jamun, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Firstly, I have taken here about 1 apple which I have chopped into big chunks like this. This is just 1 apple that I have taken and I have put it in water so that they don't lose out on their color. Less than 1/4 cup of Maida, around half a cup of coarsely ground oats powder, pinch of salt. Adding salt here is optional. I generally add a pinch of salt to my sweets, so I'm adding it. Cardamom, which I have powdered here, cardamom leaves, and about 1/4 cup of sugar, more than 1/4 and less than half cup of oil to fry our jamun, cup of water. Now let's get into the process of making our jamun. So first we'll have to make a batter with our maida here. So to make that batter, first I will add in a pinch of salt to our maida and then make a nice batter with our maida. Adding water to this. Add only 2 tablespoons of water each time. Don't add too much of water. Sure there are no lumps in your batter. Just add very little water, about a teaspoon of water again. The batter consistency should be like this. It should be a little porry, not very thick, not very thin. Okay, so now our batter is done. Now we'll move on to the next process. Putting our apples in this batter. Take 1 apple, put it in this batter, nicely roll it up in this. Just beat it along with the ball, just for about 2 times, so that all the excess batter just falls off. And then put it this oats crumb, coat it with the oats like this, and just do this and dust off all the excess oats that is stuck to your apple and put it aside in a plate. Similarly, we'll take 1 more. Now just stamp it again like this using the fork. Be sure to use a fork to do this process. If you use a spoon, all the batter will just go down and will coat your apple unevenly, which we don't want. We want the apple to be coated evenly. So just do this and all the excess batter which is stuck to your apple will just go through, and then just coat it with oats and just stuff the excess oats. Place this in a plate. So now we've coated all our apples with maida and our oats. Keep this in refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. To make our apple jamuns, we'll also have to make our sugar syrup. So to make our sugar syrup, first I will add in around 1/4 cup of sugar and then half a cup of water, our cardamom leaves or the chilka of the cardamom, and we'll boil this till it comes to a boil, till the sugar syrup or the sugar dissolves in the water. But I'm using brown sugar. You can also use normal white sugar if you want to. Flame on medium while you're doing all of this. Now our sugar is dissolved. Now we'll just let it boil for about 5 minutes. Your sugar syrup starts to boil. We will add in our cardamom powder. First I'm adding the cardamom chilka so that the flavor of the cardamom becomes a little strong. If you don't like it strong, then you can just leave it. You can just add the cardamom powder. For 5 minutes, we'll just turn off our heat and we'll keep this aside. We'll move on to the next process of frying our apples. First we'll have to take out the apples from the refrigerator. Also heat a kadai on medium flame. If our kadai is heated, we'll add in 1/4 cup of oil. Instead of oil, you can even use ghee if you want to. Using oil is optional. Once your oil is heated, place in 1 by 1 these apples. Keep your flame on medium while you're doing all of this. Don't keep it on low. You can keep it on medium or medium high. Let it fry on each side for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll just flip it and we let the other side also cook for about 2 minutes. Be careful when you're doing this, when you're frying your apples. Sometimes your apple will have a lot of water content, so the oil will end up spluttering up. If your oil is spluttering up too much, just cover it half with a lid or a plate. Now our apple has turned brown from all the sides, so we'll just take it off the heat. We will place it on a paper towel like this. Slowly we'll fry our other apples as well. Now when this has turned nice and brown in color, just take it off. Now all our apples are fried and ready. So now we'll soak it into our sugar syrup. Alright, so we'll again boil our sugar syrup for about 1 to 2 minutes because it is not hot anymore and our sugar syrup needs to be hot when we are going to dip our apples into it. Keep your flame on medium again when you are heating our sugar syrup and check it with your hand. As soon as you feel it is looking hot, then just put in the apple that we fried into this and we'll turn off the heat. Now we'll just let it stay in the sugar syrup for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, we'll just check if it has become soft. Yes, as you can see, it has become nice and soft. This means that our apple has soaked all the syrup. So now we'll just transfer this into our serving bowl. We'll just garnish it with some pista. So there you go, our apple jamuns are ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.